Okay, everyone, now welcome back our second session. So the first session you learn about jungle phonics 1, then we review 3 from capital M, small m until capital O, small o. Now, please show me your art book. Okay, this session we will learn about art book. Another material should be have color pencil or crayon, color pencil, a crayon, pencil, and notebook. Okay, eraser. Keep on the table. And then, who can answer my question? What did you learn already about art for K1A on page 16? That you connect the dot. What picture did you get it? Yeah, hot air balloon. Okay, now look at the whiteboard. Please read the teacher. Review, hot air balloon, hot air balloon. So today we will continue our unit. Connect the dot from 1 until 20 and color the picture on page 17. Okay, now please repeat after me. Art for K1A. Art for K1A. Unit. Connect the dot from 1 until 20. 1 until 20. And color the picture page 17. Okay, everyone, now please open your book on page 17 together. Okay, it's here, page 17. Okay, all the students, please use the pencil to connect the dot from number 1 until number 20 with teacher. You practice on your book. I will show you on the whiteboard. Okay, now please connect together. Okay, everyone, we start from number 1. Okay, 1 to number 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12, 12 to 13, 13 to 14, 14 to 15, 15 to 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, who can tell teacher what animal that we get after we connect the dot from number 1 until number 20 already? Yeah, you are very clever. This is elephant. The elephant stand on the ball. Okay, now please write the word elephant with teacher. Who can spell elephant? Elephant, E L E P H A N T. Elephant. Okay, please read with teacher. Elephant. E L E P H A N T elephant E L E P H A N A elephant. Okay, after you dress already, please show me the color pencil to color the picture. Okay, everyone, show me your color pencil. Okay, who can tell teacher what color that we will color the elephant? Yeah, you can use black or gray. Okay, how about the ball? The ball you can put mix the color red, yellow, blue on that part. Okay, so please color after you dress. After you connect already, please color. Okay, everyone, do you finish on page 17? Please take out your notebook and pencil. Now, please copy this exercise. I want all the students do the exercise. Draw and color the ball. You see the ball that the elephant stand on at the moment. Okay, now please read the picture. Exercise. Exercise. Draw and color the ball. Please draw the ball in your notebook that you use pencil and book. You draw and then you the color pencil to color. Okay, now please practice together. Okay, everyone, who can tell teacher what did you learn about today? Yeah, today we learn about Jungle Phonics 1 for the first section, that you review from letter M until letter O. And the second section you learn about art for K1A, that you connect the dot from number 1 until number 20, you get elephant. Okay, everyone, goodbye. See you on Friday. Tomorrow no class. Bye bye.